my scrappy life and welcome back to my channel. This is just another regular process video for December Documented, where I come in and I document everything that we kind of do for the month of December. And this is the second to the last layout for my 2021 December Documented. And I went back in not even realizing that I have a layout, either it's been up or it will be coming up, because who knows when these, I just been filming. I've already used this page maps already with this one, and then I was flipping through and not realizing, because I wanted a tag style, and I had this thing about where before I even found the sketch, I wanted to kind of go like this. I kind of wanted to put this one up on some foam and go like that. Well, then when I went to be flipping through everything, I reached and saw this one. So I'm like, oh, well, that'll work. And then as I was talking with you guys, I realized then I used that one, you know, as I was getting ready to do this. So I am looking at doing this. I've got my three, there's like, they're like tags. And so I've got these, I don't want the circles, so I kept the little, these are going to go in there so that you don't see them. And I'm literally going to place these like so. Take these off because they're beautiful blue. And play and set it up to where I have it off to the side. And then this one's going to go here. This is going to, oops, this one's going to go on top. And then this one's going to go here. And then I'm going to be off to the side. And then I'm going to place those in there, so we go. So let's see what I can do. All right, so we are going to get started where I am going to do, obviously, my normal, let's do the outlining and all of that fun stuff. I am going to take one of my bigger pages, or one of my bigger pencils that are, what size is this? It's a, well, one side is fine, the other side is a medium tip, so that is what I'm outlining these in. I wanted them to really stick out on my page. And then I do come in with my white, obviously, and the white doesn't, I mean, I don't have a big white gel pen, so this is the biggest it's ever going to get for me, but I just wanted to outline them, and I wanted that black to really shine. And then the two little pieces that you see off to the side, those are going to be put in the middle, so, or put back into the holes, because I'm not making these tags. Because I couldn't, I decided that other one didn't have the circle, and I wasn't going to add the circle. And it's because of the way I cut them on my on my Cricut. These, they're all three tags, but two of them have the holes and the other one doesn't. So anyway, I'm gluing all these down, and then I want to come in with distress paint, and it's called pumice stone, I think is how you say it. And I'm making this, you can't really see the gray tones, but I wanted to soften up the underneath sides of this layout. Because I've done a lot of red, I'm going to stick to a lot of the green for the embellishment side of it. Now, this is just a regular, you know, process video for me, but I did be able to get one of Colorcast Designs older collection on here for one of their older Christmas pieces. So that is what I'm going to be using for my title. I also made sure that I came in and added some of these white splatters just to add something to it. So while that's drying, we are going to work on my photo and that little piece of tag goodness that I got going on. Now I'm going through, these are the like last of the, I guess, scraps, as you want to say. And so I'm trying to just find things that would work, the sizing due to my photos and the orientation of the way things look, just to kind of give me an idea of like, oh, this could work and that could work, and it would all tie together anyway because of the color tones. So I'm kosher with that. And as I'm done working with one, either it's too small for me to throw it away, or I make sure that I can use it and get it used. So I'm just making sure that all of these papers are well taken care of. I get what I want on them just so that it matches, essentially, for what I want done. Let's see here. And then I tried to make sure that I stuck to just the greens as much as I can because that red is so, like, red. Now, I made sure that this wasn't part of the sketch. Now, as I was saying, the sketch is part of Page Maps, December 2011, and I will make sure that you have that as well. So I do back this one up on some foam tape, and that's that middle photo, like I said I was going to, and then I'm placing this down. I am super excited that I have a double page spread left, and I'm done, and so I can move into next year, or last year's December daily, so I'm excited. So this is where I got out my bin. As you can see on the corner, that I've got my Christmas stuff just in that bin because, you know, we got to do all of that. So favorite pastime, I was going to do it, and then I stick it up there, and I'm like, I don't like this. So then I get rid of it. I just don't like how it looks. I leave it like that. So favorite pastime, I feel like my favorite pastime during any type of timing is just to hang out and just be in the moment and just, you know, do things that typically most people don't. I know the Biltmore, a lot of people go to that, but the main reason why I came wasn't because of this building, even though I'm going to be honest with you, I've seen a ton of these buildings before because while being stationed in Europe, that's just what you saw, right? But the reason why I went to the Biltmore was because of Van Gogh. Now, depending on when this goes up and all of this, you'll see my layout, or you have seen my layout of what I did for Van Gogh. And that is the reason why I came to the Biltmore Estates, is because I wanted to see that the moving theater that they had. To have that moving pieces of, to see his collections just come alive was amazing to me. My husband was bored. I mean, Joshua was bored. But he's always a good sport because I drag him along for all of this. And it was... I just have no words. Like, if I could explain it, I would. But it was just amazing on how you pretty much became part of the painting versus it just being on the wall. And it was so ungodly amazing to watch how calm and collective it was. So it was amazing. But I'm just going through just all of the green pieces. Now, I do add some red in here, but that background is so bright. And my sake that I was like, I like that black contrast. I love that I added that there. I know to some people they're going to be like, why'd you put that in the middle or whatever? And I'm like, I love it. I love that big contrast that it gives. Ooh, excuse me, sorry. So I am going to put in this pastime, put this up there. And then my layout's pretty much done. I do come in with the gold splatters. I do come in with the black enamel dots. I add some more hearts just to make sure I come along, just to add that feel to it. And then I do coming in with the black. I do add my enamel dots everywhere just to add a little bit more black to it. And then lastly, I do come in with the gold splatters. Make sure that you like and subscribe to the channel. I would love to have you. I do upload between 2 to 3 times a week. I do design team layouts, collaborations, regular design teams. The month of December is my crazy month where I try to knock out as all of my layouts as possible. So I'm not doing what I'm doing this year and trying to do 2 years. So with all of that being said, I hope that you guys enjoy the still shots are coming up. Make sure that you like and subscribe to the channel. And I hope that you guys are all staying safe. Have a wonderful day. And I will talk to you soon. Bye.